Good morning from Nuremberg. If you've been watching our videos, you know we've spent the entire last week exploring different areas of Germany, including celebrating Oktoberfest in Munich and going all the way up to Berlin to see some of the history there. Well, to end our trip, we've made our way back down into Bavaria here in Nuremberg. We've got the next 24 hours to explore, see any sites that we want to, and truthfully, we have zero plans or expectations. We've got our trusty friend Mike, who's somewhere back over there in the store shopping. And we're just gonna walk around and explore the old town today. After making our way through much of Old Town Nuremberg, stopping at the local markets, exploring inside of a few of the beautifully intricate churches, trying the famous Drei im Wegle, which is basically 3 small sausages in a bun. My first bratwurst hot dog thing in Germany with sauerkraut. And even taking our chance at the Wish Tower.
Are we gonna touch the Wish Tower?
Go for it.
All right.
We've now made our way up a gigantically steep hill, which really doesn't look that steep in this clip, to the Nuremberg Castle. We have no idea what to expect or even if there's any admission fee, but we're gonna go inside and check it out. We've got one more steep hill before we make it up there. As we continued on towards the Imperial Palace of Nuremberg, we were in awe of just how grand it all was. Having been around since the Middle Ages, it's believed to have been built around the year 1200. Do you fit?
Not quite.
From the castle grounds, you can explore the Imperial Palace and Museum, the Deep Well, which goes down 50 meters, and even make your way to the top of Sinwell Tower. Bye guys! So far, castle's been pretty cool. Most of the signs are in German though, so you can't really read anything. But it's been cool to see. We've definitely found ways to keep ourselves entertained. Now we're going up the tower. That is all stairs. What was that? Now you gotta catch up. All right. See you soon.
See ya. That was not that easy.
No.
The tower was pretty cool. We had to walk like 200 steps though, and it was pretty steep. Now we're gonna go explore town, get something to eat. Deborah's hungry, so we have to feed her.
After finding a spot for dinner last night, getting a good night's rest, and getting some gelato this morning, we're taking a really easy day of exploring and we're gonna go enjoy the hop-on hop-off bus. Even though it's been a really long time since we did our last hop-on hop-off tour, we're pretty excited to see some of the sights that this one has to offer. I'll be honest, we didn't get off the bus once. However, we truly felt like the amount of history we learned about these significant places, like the actual Nazi Party rally grounds and offices, was just incredible, and we couldn't believe we were seeing them in person. With only 6 stops around the city, this is a great way to explore outside of Old Town, and just like always, we've linked the tour for you below.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. We didn't get off because we just were listening to the history.
We're tired.
We're tired.
There's tissue on it.